Every day, no, he's going to be exposed.
But even if exposed to every day, even though working in low light, will not make you blind or something.
No,
something short term.
Eye strain, and stress. No.
Electronic, that means you are losing your eyes.
Okay, this will go.
Actually, we are daily going through this one. And even the night, the sleep before sleep is.
So you have to maintain proper lux level, right?
Seems like you're driving dark roads and you still watching your mobile for half an hour.
Lux level.
It is by default. I'm saying this. Not me only. Everyone is going through the same. The kids are.
So do you monitor your lux level in your site? Of course, in the night you have to maintain the lux level.
Yes.
Otherwise, this can create accident.
We monitor.
Yeah.
We have.
No,
night.
Most of the accident happens in the construction site during night because of improper lux level. Unfortunately, I had seen some bad experience because of poor illumination. And people will go and sleep somewhere in the dark area. And the driver is not able to see and while reversing or forwarding. So I will say proper lighting is there. You are monitoring the lux. 2A. Chemical, no hydrocarbon. Not
here also you put in the work area.
Yeah.
Side office, no side office.
Reverse one.
It is approved work location because this is not approved. That side office is by facility manager. They are providing the lighting and other things.
Okay, approved.
So it's approved.
Side office.
Side work office.
Approved. Side office.
Side office. Light. Light.
Yeah. I remember I was working for Shell. In Shell, they will say your laptop is creating emission to your eyes. So you have to put anti-glare screen. I mean, there was big fight.
That time, nowadays, not now. By default, you are having low glare.
Yeah.
That near screen was like.
It was impacting anti-glare. So let me know if you need anti-glare screen. I can give some recommendation.
Plasma.
Yeah. So chemical hazard, hydrocarbon not applicable, benzene not applicable, toluene not applicable, ethyl benzene not, xylene no paint.
Painting we are not doing anywhere, right? Not applicable.
Not concern.
Not applicable, sir.
No, not applicable, right?
Not applicable. Because they are not doing any painting.
Is it no? This is no. This is S2S. I think S2S we have considered, no? In HID. HID we have considered from the side part, yeah. Right. Refer HID. Refer HID in guide word 1.6. That I remember. Welding fume not applicable. Dust. Refer. Refer and beta.
I didn't both.
Refer HID and ENVIVID. Words. Pesticide, no. Are you using any pesticide? How do you control mosquito? Solid web picking not applicable. Lubricant seal, no major concern. I see no major concern. No major concern. Hydraulic oil.
Why they put not applicable in the